Hello friends, welcome to my new video. My name is Amrit. In this video we talk about Fire-Boltt Thunder Smartwatch along with telling the details. I am also sharing some pictures with you so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. Fire-Boltt Thunder Smartwatch support a 1.32-inch AMOLED display that has a screen resolution of 360 x 360 pixels. This is a circular display that offers more than 200 watch faces as well. Although, one of its key highlighting features is its Bluetooth calling feature. Basically, users can pick up calls from the paired smartphone through Bluetooth. You can also have a conversation through its built-in mic and speakers, which is paired with a quick dial pad, saved contacts, and even a call history as well. Furthermore, it also offers SPO2 blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate sensor, body temperature, and sleep mapping as well. It also supports 30 sports modes like running, cycling, basketball, badminton, and more. It also supports voice assistant as well. Interestingly, it even comes with a couple of games inbuilt, like 2048 and a Flappy Bird clone. It can even last for up to 7 days in a single full charge. Other features include IP68 water and dust resistance, alarm, stopwatch, sedentary reminder, camera control, music control, drink water reminder, weather updates, and brightness adjustment. Fire-Boltt is priced at Rs 4,999 and will be available for purchase starting from the 14th of March on Amazon. It will also be sold in multiple color variants, including black, gold and silver color options. So, friends, how did you like this smartwatch? Do let us know by commenting in the comment section of the video and please subscribe our channel.